Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're continuing part 2 of 3 videos covering the topic how to draw a parabola given the directrix. We'll be starting the video. So we can actually put the radius on it if you want. So we can go to the dimension layer. We're going to go to arc and we go center. We're going to click this. We need to turn off snap. And here it is, the first one, 25. Right? Gonna move it a little bit away from here. Or better? Good. So we're gonna label the next arc, which is 30. There's the 30. We're gonna label the next one 50. Good. So the same horizontal distance that is drawn from the directrix is this vertical line which is parallel to the directrix is the same radius that you would have, all right? So we're gonna draw another construction line. The last one was what, 50? We're gonna measure 70. We're gonna turn on snap. Enter. All right. We're gonna, so this measurement, let us measure it for your understanding. So this line from here to here is 70. Okay. All right, so we need a radius which is 70 millimeters from the focus, right? So we go construction. We're gonna go to arc. I'm gonna go center. Radius will be 70. Enter. And there it is. Right? We're gonna do the same thing below. So we're gonna come up here, arc, center start in, there. We need 70 millimeters, right? So we're gonna move this up a little bit. 70. Good. There is our line. Good job. All right, so we're gonna go, that's what, 70, we're gonna go 90. So go to a construction level line and 90 away coming down. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Enter. All right, so we're gonna put on a measurement just so you're understanding again. So we go dimension. All right, let us put in the 70. All right, so we need an arc now, which is 90 millimeters from the focus. So we're gonna go arc, center start in, center. The length of this arc is 90. All right, there it is. We're gonna do the same thing at the top. So we're gonna move down the drawing a little bit. And we're gonna go to the construction layer. And we're gonna go arc, center start in. So the center will be at the focus. The length of the line will be 90. Let me just mark it, right? So we're gonna go 110. So let us go 110. So construction. Gonna move up the drawing a little bit. Enter. All right, I'm gonna center the drawing. All right, so we need, this measurement is 110. So let us measure it for you. So from here to there is 110. All right, good. So what we need a radius which is 110 from the focus. So we're gonna come to construction. I'm gonna go arc. The length will be 110. Enter. And there is the arc. All right. We're gonna shift it up to see the top. And we're gonna mark an arc. Same procedure. Center, start, 110. All right, there's the arc. We can do one more, which is radius 130. So we go line. I'm gonna move up. Enter. All right, so we're gonna measure that distance for you. So this measurement is 130. All right. So we need an arc from the focus, which is equal to 130. So we're gonna go construction. We're gonna go 3-point arc, center start end. So the center will be here. The radius will be here, and what we want 330. Here's the arc. We're gonna do it above. So the same horizontal distance that this parallel line is drawn from the directrix is equal to the radius of the circle because the eccentricity is 1. All right? So we're gonna go arc from the center, and the radius will be 130. Enter. And there it is. All right? Let us draw another one. 150. So we're gonna go line there going up. Enter. From here now, we're gonna draw an arc that is equal to 150. Let me put 150 for you. So we need a radius which is equal to 150. All right. So here we have the center for the radius. So we're gonna go arc from the center. The radius would be 150. Enter. Good. There it is. We're gonna shift it up, shift the drawing down so we can see. So we're gonna go center start and center is here. Radius is 150. And we can actually draw it right there, right? So those will be the points for the intersection of the parabola. Let us do one more. So we're gonna go construction layer. I'm gonna change it to construction. I'm gonna go line. From here coming down. Enter. All right, let me measure. So we're gonna go to dimensions. Gonna measure from there to there. That's 170. So we need a radius, which is gonna go back to our construction layer. We need a radius, which is 170. Come from here. Radius is 170. Enter. All right. right, so there's a point. We're going to draw it above. So we're going to go, so we go center. That's 170. Good. And those are the points for the parabola. What we're going to do, we're going to change to our curve layer. And we're going to go to draw. I'm going to drop down this drop down arrow. I'm going to click spline here. I'm going to start off here. Watch now. There. There. We need to turn off ortho. Need to turn off snap. And let us go now. So we're going to turn off ortho. Right. So we'll come now. There. Intersection. 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 Enter. All right. So here now we have the parabola. Good. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how do we construct a parabola given the eccentricity of 1 and the distance from the focus to the directrix was 40 millimeters. Let us put on that 40 millimeters. So we're going to go to dimension, going to measure, and we need to indicate this 40 millimeters. All right. So we come here, come there, come down for 40 millimeters. All right. And this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how do we construct the parabola given the eccentricity of 1 and the focus distance was 40 millimeters from the directrix. So take care until we meet again. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of the tangent to the parabola. So take care until we meet again. Bye. We have come to the end of part 2 of 3 videos covering the topic how to construct a parabola given the eccentricity and the directrix distance for the focus of 40 millimeters. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.